the neighborhood and deleted neighborhood. Okay, so neighborhood. And deleted neighborhood. Okay. So here, I'll just code the full general formula. So we have absolute of what? F of x minus what? Or less than what? These variables are demi variables. They are by choice. So you can choose any variable of your interest. Okay. So this one, we have what? F of x equals what? X. Okay. So in place of what? F of x in the equation, you can substitute in what? X. So you're going to get absolute of what? X minus what? Or then less than what? Okay, like this. By then, whenever you have absolute of what? Something, you have to change it to what? To a piecewise what? Function. So to change this one to a piecewise function is easy. So you're going to get what? This whole thing equal to what? Something like negative of what? Of the one in the what? In the absolute. So you're going to get x minus what? Or if what? X is what? Less than what? A. And the second one is you're going to get the positive side of the one in the bracket. So you're going to get x minus what? Or that is the positive side. If x is what? Greater than what? A. Okay, so from here, it is simple. What you have to do is you go to the left hand side. So this one is the left hand side. And the one at this one, the bottom is what? Is the right hand side. So what you have to do is you have to make the x the subject from what? Each of them. And the left hand side and the right hand side. The left hand side is when we are going to the infinity. On the number line, x is your interval. And here is what? Negative or sorry. And here is positive what? So here you are going to what? To the negative what? Side. And this side you are going to the positive side. You're going to the positive side. So here, meaning you're going to the negative infinity and the positive infinity. So it's simple. You just make the x the subject from this one. So you take on the left hand side. On the left hand side. On the left hand side, you're going to get x minus all less than what? Less than a. Then you try to make x the subject. When you do so, you're getting minus x plus or less than what? A. Then you send all to the other side. You're going to get minus x less than a plus what? Minus what? A. Then from here you can divide both sides by what? Negative 1. Negative what? 1. Negative 1. When you do so, you're going to get x equal to what? Minus a plus what? Or that is, you have what? X less than what? Or minus what? A. So that's the answer. But here you have to change the sign because on the number line, if you have x to be the interval and x is 10 and your all here is what? Here is all minus what? A. So suppose all is 10 and your A is what? Something like small positive number, which is what? 0.1. You're going to get 9.99. And here you're going to get, so this side, you could see that x is what? Greater than what? All minus A, because s can never be what? Less than what? All minus what? A. So here you're going to change the sign, you get what? X greater than, being greater than what? Or minus what? A. Then let's go to the right hand side. When you go to the right hand side, you are going to get right hand side, we choose this one. So you're going to x minus or then greater than what? A. So this side, you just make what? X the subject. You're going to get x greater than what? Or plus what? A. But look at here, let's come back to this side. If you have what? Or plus what? A, and your or is 10 plus what? 0.1. You're going to get 10.1, which is what? Greater than what? 10. The interval. So here, this whole thing is greater than what? 10. It can never be less than what? It can never be less than what? X. So you're going to change the sign and you get what? X less than what? Or plus what? A. Okay, so in this idea, you get something like from the first one, the right left hand side, we had what? X being what? Okay, from the right hand side, we had what? X being what? Less than what? Or plus what? A. And on the left hand side, we have what? X greater than what? Or minus what? A. So this whole thing you see here is the formula for the neighborhood, and it's the same as what? X minus what? Or less than what? A is the same thing. So when I ask you, for example 1, when I ask you what is one neighborhood of 10, one neighborhood of 10 is simple, meaning that your 10 here is what? So you just quote the formula. What is one neighborhood of 10? So one neighborhood of 10 is simple. On the formula, you have all minus what? A, then less than what? X, which is also less than what? All plus what? A. So here your 10 is what? Is the all, and your 1 is what? Is the A, and the interval is the 10, which is X, and we have here to be 10, then your all is 1. So you're going to get 9 less than what? X less than what? 11. Then if you want to less, then you're going to get what? 9, then 10, and what? 11. So here the answer for what? One neighborhood of 10 is what? 9 and what? And 11. And they are what? Closer to what? To 10. Neighborhood is simple. Neighborhood is, you are checking what? The number closer to what? To the interval. Neighborhood in what? In the normal English language. Somebody closer to you, your neighbor, somebody closer to you. So you can see that 9 and what? 11, they are closer to what? To 10. So let's go to the deleted neighborhood. For the deleted neighborhood, it's simple, it's the same thing. But just that you're going to do something strange over here. Something strange. So here, neighborhood, you're going to get 0 less than what? This, then minus all less than what? A, like this. So in the formula, general formula, you're going to get something like in all minus what? A less than X less than what? Or then all plus what? A. So that's the formula. So here, when I ask you what is one deleted neighborhood of 10, look at the question. You see 1 deleted neighborhood of 10. So everything I get, I delete 10 from it. So here I'm going to get what? 10 minus 1. Then I have what? 10 plus what? 1. So I'm going to get 9. And here will be what? 11. When I list them, I'm going to get 9, 10, then what? 11. By the question says, one deleted neighborhood of what? 10. So I just delete 10. So if I delete 10 here, what do I get? I get what? 9, then 11. Okay. That is the idea of what? For finding for what? Neighborhood and deleted neighborhood. Thank you.